Worried someone might turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data if your phone gets lost? There's a simple setting on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that helps protect your phone even when it's not with you. It's called Lock Network and Security, and here's how to turn it on. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Setting. Enter your current screen lock. Now, turn on Lock Network and Security. With this setting, when your phone is locked, no one can turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data without unlocking it. Why is this important? If your phone is ever lost or stolen, Find My Mobile needs internet access to locate it or even lock or erase it remotely. So by turning on this feature, you are making sure your phone stays connected and easier to recover. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.